Hello once again, welcome to my channel. I'm Juliet Megwe, and today I'm going to share with you how to use this mandala mold to make a resin keychain or bag charm for him. A resin keychain for him, a resin bag charm for him. And we're going to use this mandala dollar sign. Normally, I share with you my resin art. I share with you my travel vlogs, everything in one place, and my DIY projects and my life tidbits. If you've missed I showed you how to make the mandala keychains for her. Today we make it a little different. We won't define the mandala design. And if you're wondering what is mandala, check the card above and see those very cute keychains that we did in our new keychains or bag charm collection. It will be in the resin playlist. And if you missed that and this is your first time, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on such videos. Alright, so the other thing we're going to use, apart from the mold, and everything is in the listed and linked into the description section below for my affiliate marketing. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section, and or also on my Instagram at Juliet Megwe Inspires. Alright, so what do we need? Okay, I said the mold, this paint marker pen in gold. We are also going to use this charcoal black MEYSPRING. So this is simple, and resin, that's it. I've already mixed up my resin, and whatever resin you use, just do that. A little of my black, not too much because I'm just doing 10 ml, because right now I'm just making one. After this, I'm going to mix in, show you how I'm mixing in, but I'll have my protective gear and my mask on so you won't get to hear me. So before I do the mixing, let me show you how we do this. Instead of using the one I'd shown you, I'm going to use this Molotow gold in the twin marker. So I'm going to use the small side because I think it will have a brighter effect. After this, I'm going to wear my protective gear, then continue with this very quick keychain, and then I'm going to use our resin machine. Check the card above on what it's all about. That's going to help me cure this resin in 2 hours. Now it's time to demold. It has been in the resin curing machine for 2 hours. It has a nice black sheen. So because of the points, I'm going to pull. Let's see how it is. And it is. Oh, there is a beautiful mandala. See what I meant about the mandala? Those designs you can see on it, we won't define them for this because it's for him. But the texture, feeling it, there's texture there. And I love the way the gold has come out. Wow. And as I put it together, remember, this is just one of the keychains. There's quite a number, including the other for her mandala keychain. That check in the resin playlist or the videos just before this. And the thing to note is that there are quite a number. Don't miss out. And if you don't want to miss out, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out as I upload my videos. And thank you for watching this. Watch as we put this together. God bless you. Baraka Tele. See you next time. Keep watching.